morning and welcome back to the vlog. So it is currently about to be 8 a.m. right now, but I've been actually awake since like 4 or 5 a.m. The set that I'm wearing right now is from TJ Maxx, but it's like a Free People dupe. They have like this matching set and it is so cozy, but this one was like half the price and I'm pretty sure it's like the same material. And I love the color too. Also, my eye patches are from Pixie Beauty. And let me show you guys my cutest slipper ever. Got this from Marshalls and they're by the brand Minatonka. These are basically like the UGG dupes, but they're so cute. And yeah, so anyways, also shout out to my Owala bottle. I've been loving this bottle more than my Hydro Flask, like the big one, and my Stanley. It's so good. It is so good. Also, I finally got my hands on the Osmo DJI Pocket 3 and I have it upstairs.
Hello, Miss. Did you need some help?
Yes. Can I get the Osmo Pocket 3 creator combo?
Sweet, I got you.
Thank you.
Is this be all for you today, Miss?
Yes. It doesn't come with the SD card, right?
Unfortunately, no.
Okay.
I kind of figured you probably might have an SD card already, but I don't know. Did you want to pick up a new one?
Yeah.
Yeah, let me go ahead and
because it's the micro, right?
Yeah, let me go ahead and show you what we do have for you today. I'm sorry, boss man. Can we get through here real quick? I will have to double check right now for you, okay? Let me just finish ringing this out right now and I got you. All right, now Miss, for awesome little cheat code right here we do have for the amount of minutes you could be recording. Okay. I don't know if 256 would be enough for you. That is only about $36.99.
Okay.
If not, the 128 is about $28.99. 10 bucks extra. You're definitely getting double the minutes on that.
Okay, I'll do this one.
Sweet.
Thank you.
Would this be all for you today,
Yes.
Miss? Sweet. Got you. Let me go ahead and take care of you over here. Which camera is that one?
The Sony
6700?
ZV-E10 too.
Oh, sweet.
It's the
That's
newer
awesome.
one.
How you been liking your camera so far?
Oh, I love it. It's just bulky.
That's about it.
But other than that, it's pretty good.
Right? Does some awesome video on it, right?
Yeah.
Have you taken any photos on that recently?
No, I have the Canon G7X Mark III.
You got the G7X?
Yeah.
Yo, don't let nobody hear you say that. They're gonna want to buy it off of you.
I know.
All right, ma'am.
Thank
you have a great
so
one.
much.
It's
You
been an
too.
honor. It's been a blessing.
Bye.
You have a great one.
Gotta go, boys. Definitely gonna unbox that today. Alrighty everyone, hello. If you can hear the laundry in the background, I'm so sorry. Don't mind it. But anyway, I have been itching to unbox my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 for the last couple days, but I wanted to wait and film this and also wait for the rest of the accessories that I ordered off Amazon, and they finally came, so we're gonna go ahead and unbox it together. I went and got mine from Best Buy. And the reason why I got this is because, don't get me wrong, I love my Sony vlogging camera, which is the one I'm using right now. It's honestly an amazing camera and worth every single penny. However, it is slightly bulky, so when it comes to vlogging while I'm traveling, I find myself hesitating on pulling it out just because it's a little bit bulky. So I was like, I want to get a smaller and a lot more compact vlogging camera, and I recently got my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This has been out for a while now and it took a while for me to bite the bullet, but I was like, you know what, it's for work, and also since I have a trip coming up, I can fully test it out during my trip to see if I really like it or not. If I don't, then I will just go ahead and return it. I'm honestly so excited about this. Ever since I started thinking about it, TikTok started showing me more videos, and that just kind of like helped me solidify my decision on getting one. And honestly, I feel like this is gonna be a game changer. Dun, 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 dun. So it comes with a protective case where you can store the camera. Ooh, oh my god, I'm excited. So we have the body of the camera. So this is what the inside looks like. I believe this is charger pods. So we have the battery handle. So if it's too short for you, you can just hold it like this. We have a tripod. Ooh, and then we have the mic. I heard the mic is super good. Like this. Oh, obviously I'm not using it right now. But we have a wide angle lens that it is magnetic, and I think you just attach it. And then we have a clip magnet. And then we have a case for the Pocket 3. Guys, this is honestly a game changer. Like, just imagine yourself vlogging and it's so light. Anyway, sorry guys that this wasn't like a super in-depth tutorial. I just wanted to unbox my new DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I definitely need to like learn more about it. Oh, and then I also got these accessories from Amazon. Guys, long time no see with my baby. She's back from Korea, Japan, and living her life. But we're having our little catch up at Blue Jam. Thank you.
Me and my bestie. She got the same camera. We're having brunch. Too long.
I got some migas, and then we're sharing
Crunchy toast.
crunchy toast.
And I got a breakfast carbonara.
Yum. And I did a little shopping. I found this 100% cashmere turtleneck dress, and it's a short sleeves, and I feel like this is gonna be perfect with tall boots, and has a slip on the side, and it's just so cute. This is only dry clean, which is like the only downside to it, but honestly for the price that I paid, I was like so shocked. I was like, you're coming home with me. I found this gorgeous coat. I feel like it's showing up as like black, but this is black. This one is kind of like a dark mocha, like coffee mocha color. And I just like love the color. I don't have like a shade of brown in a coat form. And when I was trying it, everyone was like, you need to get that coat. It looks amazing on you. And I was like, thanks. I've been looking for like jeans to go with my cowboy boots. I found this one. It's like a flare, and it's by the brand Lucky Brand. Last but not least, this is such a random purchase, but this is specifically for my New York trip, but it's honestly so cute. It's from Urban Outfitters, and it was only $8, and it just says New York. I don't know, it kind of reminds me of like the early 2000s, and I love the bedazzled, and I feel like these are slowly but surely coming back. I don't know. Up next, we got this 3-piece set. It's like a cozy wear. We have the pants, a little tank top, and then the cardigan, and it's so cute. This is by the brand Sincerely Jules, and this was only $35 instead of $50, and I got the gray one. They have like a blue one, I think, but I wanted the gray one. I got these platform faux dupe UGG dupes, and I love this little strap right here. It added like a little bit of style to it instead of just like the, you know, normal Uggs. And it's actually so cozy. This is by the brand Beach, and it was only $35 compared to like the $150 from Uggs. You guys, you are sleeping out on Marshalls if you haven't like gone and checked them out. These are literally like my Uggs. I have the real Uggs, and I have them in multiple colors, but I don't have it in chestnut. So I decided to get one because these are going to be my go-to shoes for the fall and winter time. And since they were so affordable, I don't mind like ruining them if they do ever get wet or whatever, compared to like my Uggs where they're like $160. But they're honestly so cozy on the inside, and the brand is Cushionaire, and I got this in a 7.5. So I'm usually a size 7, but I got a size 7.5.